Welcome to Nordic Market News. Today is Tuesday, October the 11th. This program is brought to you by News Agency Direct on behalf of Infront. The main focus will be on the major financial news from the Nordic countries. And let's begin by looking at the stock market index for each of these Nordic countries in the opening 2 hours of trade today. Sweden's OMX S30 is down about 2.25%, while the Norwegian OSE-BX is up by 0.2%. The OMX Helsinki 25 increased by 0.25%, and the OMX Copenhagen 20 decreased by 0.4%. In Sweden, Carnegie is reducing its 12-month target price for Fingerprint, which is almost 14%, to 73 Swedish crowns per share based on increased competition from Chinese competitor Goodix. They feel the market expectations are now too high for the fourth quarter and have also reduced their projected 2016 sales estimate to 7.5 billion Swedish crowns. The current consensus estimate by SME Direct estimate of 7.7 billion Swedish crowns and Carnegie's new estimate will still fall within Fingerprint's previously announced sales guidance of 7.2 to 8.3 billion Swedish crowns. Fingerprint also announced today that they will hold a capital markets day on December the 8th. Carnegie brokered another deal today for about 5% of the capital in Hoist Finance. The transaction was for 3.8 million shares at 82 Swedish crowns per share. This resulted also in about 5% of the votes. According to Holdings, Ownership Statistics has 7 total shareholders owning at least 3.8 million shares. The current SME Direct consensus estimate for Hoist Finance for the 2016 EBIT is 934 million Swedish crowns. Consumer prices rose 0.2% in September over the previous month, according to SCB. The CPI inflation was 0.9%. According to a SME Direct survey, the analysts expected the consumer prices would have risen by 0.4% over last month and 1.2% over the same month in 2015. The Riksbank forecast published on September the 7th pointed to a CPI inflation rate of 1.4% for September. CPIF, which is the CPI with a fixed interest rate, rose 0.2% in September from the previous month, and CPIF inflation was 1.2%. The same SME Direct survey expected a CPIF inflation rate of 1.5%, while Riksbank forecasted a CPIF inflation rate of 1.6%. CPIF inflation excluding energy was 1.0%, and the Riksbank forecast pointed to a CPIF inflation excluding energy of 1.5%. Finally, the Danish insurance company Tryg reported its third quarter earnings this morning, and the results were better than the market expected. Profit before tax came in at 923 million Danish crowns, 9% above the market expectation of 848 million Danish crowns, according to the consensus by SME Direct. They are now forecasted to end 2016 with an estimated sales at 2.35 billion Danish crowns. This would be 30% better than the 2015 result. Those were the headlines for today's program. We will be back again tomorrow with more Nordic Market News. Thank you for watching.